Hello everyone, so we are gonna be unboxing. Ito ay ang Abrams 7.0 Heng 2026. And this is the Pro version. Wala nang seal. And this one has actually a lot of freebies. Ito may kasama na siyang B3 charger. Very basic, but still it's free. Power adapter. The infrared and spare tracks, metal tracks. The standard action figure for US tanks. 2 batteries, 18650. BBs. Some accessories. Screwdriver. Smoke liquid. More accessories. Another tool, di ko alam para saan to. AA batteries. And the tank itself. We have another figure. I think this is more of a Russian female figure. I'm not too sure. Extra wheels. More BBs. And the remote control 7.0. And this looks amazing. Ang ganda niyang tignan. Metal tracks, metal road wheels. At yung kanyang suspension, ang ganda. Rubber yung rubber to, yung part na to ng road wheels. Wow. And different views of the tank. Tapos ito, nabubuksan rin to. Let me just try to figure it out. Ayun. So, ayan siya. Ganda. Yun. Baka dito nilalagay yung BBs. Ayan siya. Alright. Ayos. Tapos, itong kabila naman, nabubuksan din to. May, okay, there. Ayan. Oh, this is where you put the infrared receiver. Okay. And manual. So, battery compartment, nandito na siya sa harap. Ayan. Pindutin nyo lang yan. At magbubukas na siya ng kusa. So, testing na natin. Tapos dito yung on-off switch sa likod.